Compare 2721 and 2712. Comparing thousands. Both the numbers have the same thousands, 2. So we compare hundreds. Hundreds are also same, 7. So we compare tens. In tens, 2 of first number is greater than 1 of second. So first number is greater than second. 2721 is greater than 2712. Compare 7821 and 6219. Comparing highest place value, thousands, we have 7 greater than 6, so we don't compare any more digits. 7, 821 is greater than 6219. Compare 8431 and 3815. Comparing the place value of thousands, 8 is greater than 3. So we don't compare any other digits, and we know that 8431 is greater than 3815. Compare 9259 and 9289. We start with digits in the highest place value and go lower. We stop comparing where the values are unequal. Thousands are same, 9. Then hundreds are equal, 2. In tens, 5 is lesser than 8. So 9, 259 is lesser than 9, 2, 8, 9.